Go easy on yourself. Anxiety doesn't control you, but you can surely control anxiety. Hi, I'm Sheetal. Today I'm going to perform asanas and meditations which will help you in dealing with anxiety. The first pose which I am performing is called Balasana or the child pose. I am beginning this pose by being on my fours. My wrists are in line with my shoulders. My knees are in line with my buttocks. And my spine is neutral and parallel to the floor. I'm keeping my breathing normal. Now I'm flattening the front of my feet and bringing my toes together, while I'm simultaneously taking the knees apart by keeping them a little wider than a hip width distance. I'm gently dropping my buttocks on the heels and leaning forward with my torso. Next, I'm stretching my arms away from my body while my shoulders remain completely relaxed. Now I'm focusing on taking deeper and longer breaths. I'm allowing my body to relax with each new breath. I'm consciously relaxing all the stress my body is holding. I'm letting go of all my worries and allowing myself to trust the universe that I'm very well taken care of. You can be in this posture until you feel fully relaxed. When done, release the posture. The second pose that I will be showing is Matsyasana or the fish pose. I'm lying on my back. I'm bringing my feet together. My hands are relaxed alongside the body. I'm placing my hands underneath my hips while my palms face down, and I'm bringing my elbows closer towards each other. Now I'm taking a deep breath in and lifting my head and chest. I'm keeping the chest elevated and lowering the head backward and touching the top of the head to the floor. I'm pressing the elbows firmly into the ground, placing my weight on the elbow and not on the head. Next, I'm lifting my chest up from in between the shoulder blades and further pressing my elbows down. I'm pressing my thighs and legs on the floor. While in this posture, I'm looking at the tip of my nose. I'm holding this pose for 30 seconds, along with long, gentle breaths in and out. I'm relaxing in this posture every time I exhale. Now I'm lifting the head up, lowering the chest, and I'm bringing my head to the floor. I'm bringing the hands back along the sides of the body and relaxing. For better results, repeat this 2 to 3 times. Anybody with specific ailments like high BP, spondylitis, backache should do this pose under supervision of a practitioner. The third pose which I will be performing is called Pada Hastasana or the head to toe pose. To begin this pose, I'm standing with my feet hip width distance apart. I'm holding my waist with both my palms. Now I'm taking a long breath and lengthening my spine upwards. As I'm exhaling, I'm bending forward by keeping my spine long. I'm letting my torso drop down within my capacity. Dropping my head down, holding the back of my ankle, and staying in this posture for 3 to 5 breaths. While in this position, I'm gradually increasing the number of breaths and can go up to 10 breaths. Now I'm releasing my ankles, bringing my palms back on my waist. And then, as I'm inhaling, I'm coming back to the standing position. Let's practice some deep breathing, which can bring immediate calm to the mind. I'm lying on my back. I'm joining my feet in Namaste, and both my palms are placed on my belly with the palms facing down. I'm simply focusing on the movements of my belly in this position. You can stay in this position as long as you wish to. Whenever ready, release the posture. Tell yourself that I am relaxed now. There is no anxiety. I am comfortable, facing the world with a much calmer mind and relaxed body. Yoga doesn't take anything from you, yet provides you with strength for your mind, body, and soul. On this happy note, this is Sheetal taking your leave. Until we meet next, keep growing, keep glowing.